Use 2.5mm Allen key to install the 4 metal supports to the base. Ensure the screws are flush with the bottom. When installing the acrylic panels, pay attention to the label on each of them. These labels tell you which panel should go where. Make sure the color matches. And do remember to remove the protective films on both sides of the acrylic panels. Carefully install the rods of the doors to the hole on the base in case it breaks off. Install the 2 handles with M4x8 screws and 2.5mm Allen key. To make it easier to install the top, you can use the transparent stickers to hold the doors. And remove them after installation. The top panel could be difficult to install. If possible, you can ask someone else to hold it for you while you are aligning it with the panels and supports. If you find the acrylic panel is slightly bent in the slot, you can gently push it to make it fit into the top panel. We suggest that you install one side of the panel first and fix it a little with 2 screws. Then install the other side and tighten all the screws. Remember to remove the transparent stickers that hold the doors. Install this 3D printed piece to the top and turn it by 90 degrees to lock it. There are 3 holes on the enclosure for filament to pass through. Move the enclosure to the edge of the table and install the cable hole cover from below. There are 4 cable holes on the enclosure and you can cover the unused ones with the little acrylic pieces. After installation, you may find the doors misaligned, and this is because it is sitting on an uneven surface. In this case, you will need to apply the dot stickers under the front bottom corner of the lower side until the doors are aligned with each other. How many of them to use will depend on the actual height difference. After the doors are aligned, you can put your printer into the enclosure and put a filament holder on the top. Do not put the filament holder on the center, or it will warp the panel. Put it close to the edge so that the aluminum profiles can provide better support for it. At last, snap on the filter case.